Hello, this is Nikki from Canada, and welcome to my square foot garden. Let's have a look. My husband filled up the bed for me. What a good surprise. That was going to be a lot of work. I just gotta, the oil is pretty dry. I need to get some compost. This soil's looking pretty dry. And all the plants are on this side. Looking good. Gonna need a bit of watering. I'll do that after. But everything's growing nicely. Let's see, got some little flowers going on in here. And here. Pepper plants are flowering. Let's see if we can find this little tomato that I couldn't find last time. Oh, there it is. Okay, oh, some more here, bigger ones. And the cucumber's starting to climb. There we go. And then strawberry plants are doing fine. Oh, my onion's going to seed as well. Harvest those. Let's see, I don't see any cherries. Well, a couple. Guess I'm feeding the birds this year. There's a couple. And raspberries are starting to bud. Now, chives didn't do very good this year. Usually they do better. Oh, here's my fishes. Let's have a look and see if it needs to be changed. Oh yeah. Once again, pretty black. So we'll change that. And that's it for now. Feed the fish. Back to the forgot to do an update on my gooseberry bush. I guess I'm gonna have to pick them soon. It's starting to come ripe. Pick and eat. Huh. I don't know that branch. That's a nice looking one. Let's get some food for the fishies. Oh, they're acting all hungry here. This is our rain barrel setup. Comes for the roof, and they're connected to each other, so they overflow into each other. And then we have the hoses on the bottom, and we fill them up and obviously put them in the garden. This one must be almost empty. It's filling up really slow. It hasn't rained substantially in a little while, so it's taken a while to fill up. And let's have a look from the garden from this angle. Okay, I'm done. I planted some beans and peas here. Oh, peas here. Beans here. Radishes. Hello, this is Nikki from Canada, and welcome to my square foot garden. I haven't been here all week, So let's see if anything survived the heat. Well, peas look like they're doing good. And the beans. Some weeding is required. Radishes are looking good. Strawberries survived. Oh, these need some water. Poor things. Olas are empty. Oh, zucchini's got lots of flowers. Oh, look at all the tomatoes. Well, well. Oh, and the pepper's still doing very nice. That's our biggest pepper. Feel a little soft. The oregano is all gone to flower. The fish pond pump was off, but I just fixed that. Fish all look doing fine. The plants grew a ton of babies. And I put some water. This is a volunteer tomato plant. It's growing okay. I've watered the 3 beds. And I'll wait till it cools off. It's 2 o'clock right now and hot, hot, hot. So when it cools off, I'll come out this afternoon and do some weeding and give them more water. Zucchinis are looking lovely. And cucumbers got lots of flowers, so maybe I'll get cucumbers this year. Tomato plants are all looking wilty, but getting lots of tomatoes. And the peppers, got the one big one in here. Got some jalapenos, lots of flowers. It's a good thing. Lots of cherry tomatoes coming up. So overall, looking pretty good. And that's it for now. Oh, one more thing. My raspberries coming out. Awfully small though. Hello, this is Nikki from Canada, and welcome to my square foot garden. Let's see if we can get this done before the rain. Oh, the zucchini flowers are looking beautiful. Have we got any zucchinis going on here? I don't see any. Tomatoes are all here. Pepper's still growing. Lots of little pepper buds. Okay. There's a hot pepper.
Red tomatoes.
Red tomatoes?
Red tomatoes. Down.
Yeah. Ooh, I got some edible cherry tomatoes. Excellent.
Another one in. Radishes.
My cucumber plant's doing well. No cucumbers, but it's growing good. I gotta attach this to the trellis. Pumpkin plants are coming out. A little late planting. Oh, look, my beans are going up the trellis. Very nice. Little bean plant. And peas, I guess I can attach that today. Radishes be ready to pick today. Let's pick one and see what we got going on here. It looks small. Here. That's a nice size. I'll pick a few more today. Strawberries, looks like it survived. Still need some more plants. And let's have a look at the fish. You're not a fish. They want some food. We haven't been here over a week, so this should really need to be changed. Oh yeah. Oh, the bottom one needs to be changed too. Okay. Okay, got lots planted. Edelmees, some pole beans. I planted peas here. Over here, 2 square feet of kale, 2 square feet of bok choy, and another square foot of radishes, 3 square feet of turnips, and a square foot of arugula. Over here, everything's all been de-weeded and nice thinned out so you can see air can go. Cucumbers have been pinned up. I've got a little cucumber here. These are pumpkins. These are my zucchini plants. No zucchinis yet. Okay, this is Nikki from Canada signing out.